What's the meaning of bijou? Bijou. Bijou.
Bijou. Bijou. Bijou is a French word that translates to jewel in English. It can refer to something small and delicate, like a piece of jewelry, or to something that is considered a treasure or gem. In English, the term is often used to describe something of beauty or value that is also small in size. This could be a small piece of art, a quaint little cafe or boutique, or even a cozy apartment or cottage. The term can also be used figuratively to describe a person or thing that is treasured or highly regarded for its particular qualities or characteristics.